Good morning, students. Today we are going to see an important topic in chemistry. What's meant by valence shell, penultimate shell, and antepenultimate shell. Okay. Before going to see the topic, we must know the definition of this orbit. Okay, the shell. First of all, we are going to see valence shell. The valence shell is defined as the outermost orbit of an atom that contains valence electrons. Okay, it is a ultimate orbit of the atom in which the electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay, then penultimate shell, the orbit that is inner or prior to valence shell is called the penultimate shell. Then third one is the antepenultimate shell, the orbit that is inner or prior to penultimate shell is the antepenultimate shell. Okay, now we are going to see the valence shell, penultimate shell, antepenultimate shell with an example. Now let us consider calcium. That atomic number is equal to 20. So now we are going to see the electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. This is the electronic configuration of the calcium. Now we are going to split the orbital into orbit. The 1s is the K, 2s2, 2p6 is the L, 3s2, 3p6 is the M orbit, and the 4s is the N orbit. So K, L, M, N. Now we are going to find out the valence shell, the outermost orbit of an atom that contains a valence electron. Here outermost orbit is the N. Therefore here N orbit is a valence shell. So this is a valence shell. Then we are going to see the penultimate shell, the orbit that is inner to 4s2, that is 3s2, 3p6 or prior to the valence shell is the penultimate shell. Therefore here M is the penultimate shell. Okay, M shell is the penultimate shell. Then the orbit that is inner or prior to the penultimate shell is the antepenultimate shell. Therefore here L is the antepenultimate shell. Okay, antepenultimate shell. Now we are going to see another example, that is silicon. Atomic number is equal to 14. Okay, now we are going to find out what is a valence shell, penultimate shell and antepenultimate shell. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Okay, so learn that 1 star belongs to K orbit and 2 star belongs to L orbit and 3 star belongs to M orbit. Okay, so 3s2 and 3p2 is belongs to M orbit. Therefore M orbit is a valence shell. Okay, and here L is the prior to M orbit. Therefore L is the penultimate shell. Penultimate. Then K is the antepenultimate shell. Okay, now we are going to take another example, that is the iron. For iron, atomic number is equal to 26. Now we are going to get the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d6. Now this electronic configuration is rearranged according to the principal quantum number value. Okay, rearranged according to the principal quantum number value. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6 and 4s2. Okay, now the 4 is a orbit. It's well known that 1 star belongs to K and 2 star belongs to L and 3 star belongs to M and 4 star belongs to N. So N is a valence shell and M is the penultimate shell. M is a penultimate shell because that is prior to the nth. Then the cell that is prior to the penultimate shell, that is a antepenultimate shell. Therefore L is a antepenultimate shell. Antepenultimate shell. Okay, then we are going to take the last one, that is a lanthanum. For lanthanum, the atomic number that is equal to 57. Now we have to write the electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f1. Now this electron configuration is rewritten according to the principal quantum number value. So it becomes a 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. So 310 comes here, 310, then 4s2, 4p6, 4d10 and also 5s2, 5p6. Okay, then also there is a 4f. Oh, we are going to take the 4f. Okay, 4f1, then 5s2, 5p6, then 6s2. Okay, 6s2. So 1 star belongs to K orbit, 2 star belongs to L orbit and 3 star belongs to M orbit and 4 star belongs to N orbit and 5 star belongs to O orbit and B belongs to P orbit. Okay, 6s2 belongs to P orbit. So the orbit that is present at the last in which electrons are available on the nucleus, that is a P orbit is a valence shell. Okay, P orbit, that is a valence shell. Then O orbit that contains a 5s2 and 5p6, that is a penultimate shell. And because the O is near to the P, then the N is near to the O, so N orbit. It is a antepenultimate shell. Antepenultimate shell. Okay, students, watch the video. This is a very important one. Use it. Also share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.